Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some fairly nice conditions out there for mid-March. Seeing temperatures already in the 50s this morning. We'll see temperatures rising into the 60s for the afternoon hours. We'll see abundance of upper-level cloudiness across the region today. So we have a storm system across the northern plains and Great Lakes. It's going to be continuing to stream southwesterly upper-level flow of our region, and that'll provide us with these upper-level clouds over the area today. Looking at the conditions the last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, seeing Richmond at the warm spot at 63 degrees. Most of the locations in the 50s to lower 60s. However, Ocean City was the cool spot at 47 degrees. Here at Wallops, we're at 51. Last night saw temperatures dropping down fairly uniformly into the mid to lower 40s. Here at Wallops, we're at 43 degrees. Baltimore was the cool spot at 39. Everywhere else in the 40s. No precipitation across the region the last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures anywhere from the upper 40s to lower 50s, anywhere from mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with the abundance of upper-level cirrus cloudiness across the region, and we're seeing 50 degrees under partly sunny skies here at Wallops as of 9 a.m. Looking at our sounding from this morning, our freezing level is at 10,600 feet. Our winds out of the southwest in the low levels, fairly breezy at 1,000 feet at 29 knots, and we see our winds turn to the northwest at 9,000 feet, about 15 to 20 knots at that level, and then increasing up to 34 knots out of the northwest at 20,000 feet this morning. Looking at our surface analysis as of 12Z this morning, we have a very deep area of low pressure across the plain states. It's going to be continuing to move off towards the Great Lakes today. Did provide areas of very strong winds, heavy snow, blizzard conditions, as well as some severe weather across the plain states yesterday. And thankfully this system is actually weakening as it is moving towards the Great Lakes. It will provide a chance of some severe weather across the Tennessee and Ohio valleys today, and then it will drag a cold front through our region as we move into Friday with a chance of some showers and even a chance of a thunderstorm towards Friday afternoon and evening. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, here's our Thursday midday planner. You can see this area low pressure that will be occluding across the Great Lakes region. Cold front stretching from the Ohio Valley into the Tennessee Valley for our Thursday. And then Thursday night, you can see this cold front starting to progress towards our region. We'll have decently breezy conditions across the region today with the pressure gradient tightening as the area high pressure that's influencing our weather this morning moves off the coast, and we'll see wind gusts possibly around 20 to 22 knots by the evening hours tonight. Looking at our Friday AM planner, you can see the area low pressure that will move through the Great Lakes into southeastern Canada by Friday morning. We'll have a cold front across the Appalachians, and then it'll move through our region for our Friday afternoon and for our Friday evening as the additional upper level disturbance moves along this boundary for our Friday evening, and that should provide us with a good chance of some rainfall and even a chance of a thunderstorm. And looking at our Saturday PM planner, we'll have high pressure building in from the west. It'll be a seasonable area, high pressure, temperatures in the 50s for Saturday. So overall, a fairly decent day, other than some slightly breezy conditions, especially during the early afternoon hours. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have green conditions as for precipitation and lightning. We'll have a chance of some winds near 25 knots moving to the evening hours after 20 local and through the nighttime period with winds gusting up to 22 knots. Other than that, we'll have a green chart across the board. Temperatures peaking out around 62 degrees today, then temperatures only falling into the lower 50s tonight with that strong southerly wind at 53 degrees for our low. We'll see winds this afternoon south 9 to 14 knots, gust to 20. As I mentioned, south 10 to 15 knots, gust to 22 knots during the overnight time period. And will remain mostly cloudy today with the upper level cirrus over the region. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to have VFR conditions throughout today. Chance of some lower level cloud cover moving in during the overnight time period with that southerly onshore flow. But by tomorrow morning, we'll see a broken deck at 2,000 feet, a broken deck at 12,000 feet, and some more upper-level cirrus cloudiness above that level. Our tides are normal, and looking at our Friday into Saturday, Friday will be mostly cloudy to overcast, a slight chance of a rain shower in the morning and the early afternoon hours, a chance of a shower and a possible thunderstorm in the late afternoon hours. We'll see breezy and mild conditions, a high of 68 degrees on Friday, so about 10 to 15 degrees above normal for this time of year. An orange for precipitation as well as winds, and a yellow for lightning. Friday night we'll have mostly cloudy to overcast skies, a chance of showers, thunderstorms, a low of 47 degrees, and those chances of showers and thunderstorms will be during the early overnight hours of Friday into Saturday. A red for precipitation, orange for winds, and yellow for ceilings, as well as a chance of lightning within 10 nautical miles. And then for Saturday, we'll see high pressure build in, mostly sunny conditions, breezy winds, a high of 55 degrees, and a yellow for our winds for Saturday. Looking at the next 7 days, we're going to have fairly nice conditions with warmer than seasonable averages today, high of 62 degrees, and then Friday looking at that chance of thunderstorms during the afternoon evening hours. Friday looks like will be mostly cloudy throughout the day with continued clouds moving in from the west. A slight chance of a sprinkle during the morning on Friday, but our best chances of rain come for the afternoon and the evening hours. Could see a lingering shower or thunderstorm during the early overnight time period on Saturday. Then we'll see skies starting to clear for Saturday, looking at 55 degrees. And then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday we'll have high pressure in control overall. Northwesterly upper level flow that's going to provide us with fairly dry air mass in the region. So not looking any very good chances of precipitation, just some scattered cloud cover across the region for those days. Temperatures about seasonable for this time of year, anywhere from the upper 40s to the lower 50s. And we'll have to watch the system for Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. Looks like right now we'll pass well south and east of the region. And some of the model guidance is showing area low pressure moving up the coast for Tuesday into Wednesday, but that looks unlikely at this time. And due to that, we'll just continue to see partly to mostly cloudy skies and temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day. We're back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.